The Zunfly 4-channel mirror dash cam offers an impressive 170-degree wide-angle lens with a 12-inch full-touch screen, providing vibrant colors and a wide viewing angle for easy recording, preview, and playback. This dashcam's 4-channel capability allows simultaneous recording of the front, rear, and 2 inside views, with cameras that can rotate freely by 270 degrees, ensuring comprehensive coverage and minimal blind spots. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity enables seamless access to recorded videos via a smartphone app, while the external GPS accurately tracks the vehicle's location, speed, and route, offering valuable data for roadside assistance and insurance claims. Equipped with vision and WDR technology, the Zunfly dashcam captures high-quality images even in low-light conditions, ensuring safety and clarity at all times. The loop recording feature ensures continuous footage by overwriting the oldest unlocked files when storage is full, while the G-sensor locks and protects video evidence in the event of sudden impacts. Zunfly provides a 1-year warranty and responsive customer service, with a user-friendly app for easy control and configuration of the dashcam.